Okay, so now that we're here, we're going to see how we can build on this, make it a little thicker, and we'll see if we want to keep this pattern, add something else, or um, change the instrument. Okay, so let's check that out. Now I'm going to grab another instrument, and just because I'm going to grab this flute, I'm going to create a new pattern for the flute. I'm going to make it 2 bars long. Go to my song editor, name the last one flute. Okay, great. Now I'm going to go back to my piano. I'm going to right click, copy, go to my last pattern and go to flute, right click, oops, and paste. Now I have the same pattern on the piano and on the flute. I just want to hear just what the flute sounds like by itself. Yeah, I'm not feeling that, right? So what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to take off all the lowest notes in my chords. Not in the middle, just on the chords. I'm going to get rid of that. Command, oh, it's option, sorry. Command, delete, command, highlight, delete, command, highlight, delete, command, highlight, delete. So let's hear what we have now. A little loud, so we're going to lower that down. Okay, let's hear that with the whole beat. How about that? Don't forget to populate the flute track on the song editor. Here we go. I'm going to lower that down quite a bit. There's more of like a little bit of a top melody. It's going to be tucked away and hidden with that piano. Okay, so we're doing okay here. Okay, I'm going to take their violin pizzicato, and I am going to also create a new pattern for that. Make sure it's 2 bars long. Right click, paste on it. Go to my song editor here and click in violin pizzicato 01. Okay, now let's hear what that sounds like. Okay, so all right, it sounds like what we've done before. But what can we do to modify this and make this a little bit more interesting as well? So what I'm going to do here in the piano roll is, let me make this a little bigger so I can see everything. I see I lost the instrument part of my chord here. Okay, so I'm going to, for this, take off all the higher notes on my chord, the top notes, and leave the bass notes or the bottom notes for each chord, and I'm going to leave my melody in there. Let's hear what we have. Okay, so let's hear it with the whole track. Don't forget to populate the new track in the song mode, the song editor. Make it lower. Nice, okay. Great, so now I'm going to look for another instrument really quickly. Okay, I'm going to use this trumpet, even though it's annoying. And I'm going to drag it in here. Okay, and we're going to create a new pattern and call that one trumpet. Okay, we're going to lower the volume so it's not as annoying and it sits in the track a little better. Right click, piano roll, or better yet, let's do right click, paste, and now left click it 2 times and open the piano roll. So let's hear what we have here in the horn. see if we could be bothered with that in the track. Manipulate the drum track and lower it down quite a bit. It's a little too much and too busy for me. So what I'm going to do is I want to keep the horn in there. I just don't want it to be so overpowering. So I'm going to take off all the bass notes this time. Command, highlight, take off the last two notes on the chords and make it a little bit lighter. Let's hear that. Right? So now I'm going to play that with the track. I can lower down my trumpet more here. Let's see if we can get it somewhere. But if I wanted a little bit more control and I wanted to make some louder than the other, I can use these here to change the velocity or the volume of an instrument or a note even. So let's hear it again. That's too high for you. Highlight it all. See where you are here. That's a G. I'm going to go down to another G. Oh, yep, perfect. Let's see it. Let's hear that. Okay, so here's the phrase. Okay, so you're getting the idea of how you're going to take one chord, create a melody, and then bounce that around to other tracks so you can fill out your melody and make it sound more full, give it more dynamics, and make it more interesting and appealing. Okay,